is named Asa. And there's so many workers on the boat. They're cleaning, they're tidying, they're doing all this. That's insane. That is insane. Mercedes rooftop. And Toyota. Oh, Tesla, I mean, my apologies. Next one. Odyssey Bikini. Private yacht, no boarding. Blue one. Are the F1 race also gonna go through here? Because, guys, I just don't really understand why it's also covered. The cars are also gonna drive through here on the race. That's cool as hell, even though I usually don't like dentist blue. This one is a nice one. It has a Mercedes. Why does it have a Mercedes on the Mercedes